Hi, welcome dear student to third video of chapter 6 of class 7. Hope all of you are in a good health and also you have started preparation for half yearly exams. I would like to recommend all of you to join online class regularly so that you will not face any problem. You can ask query which you have any query. At the same time in the class you will resolve your problem. Thank you dear students. I hope you will not face any problem during the exam time. So today I am going to discuss about using edit mode, undo and redo, inserting blank cells. Previous class already explained about enter date and time, changing contents of the cell and replacing cell contents. Now using edit mode. Let us discuss one by one. Using edit mode. So using edit mode, double click the cell that contains the data you want to edit. Excel displays a cursor in your selected cell. Here you can see this image. You can use the different way to edit the cell value. Simply you just need to click over the particular, double click over the, for example, I'm going to edit the marks. I'm going to edit the sales value, for example 250 now. So if you have a value like 350, simply you just need to double click over the particular column, particular cell here, particular cell, and you can remove the value, you can delete this one or enter new one using the backslash or delete button, and you can enter new one, or simply you can just double click here. You can see I'm going to double click and enter the value here. It's a simple way and just need to press enter. That in this way you are able to edit the cell value. Similarly, you can also edit the cell value in the formula bar. Now here you can see here the value. When you are going to click over the particular cell, you can see here the value in the formula bar. Here you can change the value, you can delete or just write. I'm going to enter 550 here. So simply you can change the value and press the enter button. Now you can see it. Similarly, you can also use your double click. Now you can see here the edit mode. So In the status bar, you can see that here the edit mode now. Before going to click, default mode is ready mode. And when you are going to write something, when you are going to write, and after that, here you can 600. Now, so you can simply just, when you are going to edit, you can see here the cancel button and the enter button. When you are going to enter and see the value, now value is changed. So this is very simple. Hope you are able to edit the value. Similarly, you can also edit your data by using the backspace or delete key by typing new data. So when you are going to double click over the particular cell, you are able to edit, you are able to delete the data. You can use the backspace or delete key or by typing new data. So when you are going to double click to see the value, when you are going to select double click, you can see the highlight area here, and now you can just press enter. So where earlier value, now you are able to change the new one. So in this case, you can also here you can change the value partially or fully. When if you want to modify the formula also, you can just need to when you are going to modify the formula, simply you can just click over there and change the formula. Now if you click a cell, Excel displays the contents of the cell in the formula. Definitely, you can see when I'm going to click over there, and here also you can see when going to click over the particular cell, you can see the value in the formula bar. You can edit the cell value in the formula bar also. When you are going to click here, you can see here the cancel button and enter button. So if you don't want to change, you just need to press a cancel. If you want to, again, I'm going to click. You can see here the enter button. You just need to modify the value here and press the enter button. So now your value has been changed now. Okay. So now you can edit the value. You can edit the value while you are going to double click. You can use the edit button. You can also use the backspace to delete the value. You can change the value partially, or you can use backspace or delete, or you can partially or fully delete. So if you click a cell, Excel displays the content of that cell in the formula bar. I hope you are able to understand. When you are going to click over the particular, when you are going to a blank, empty cell, you see also the name box. So you can see the location, the cell location. So it is showing H155, the cell position. 155, this indicates the row, and column heading here, column heading is at H. So H155. And when I'm going to click, you are able to edit, change the value, modify the value simply. Next one, using edit mode. So here you can see this, you are able to change the formula. You can able to change. If you are going to use, you can modify the formula simply. When you are going to double click over there, you can modify the formula. You just need to click over the particular cell. Simply you can modify the formula. So this is also similar to that. So now next one I'm going to discuss undo and redo. So this, why do we need undo and redo? You can see the mistakes, wrong, wanted. So this is definitely when you are going to work, when you are working on a file, Excel file or any other file, there is there is chances of mistakes or modification. you know when you are going to enter the value, maybe there may be chances of the mistakes. There may be chances if you have entered the wrong value, and sometimes you press the it is pressed, sometimes you pressed by mistakes, right, typing mistakes only. So just press Control Ctrl plus Z to undo me. Here you can see the image, and hope you understood the meaning of what the undo and redo. Going to explain little bit more so that it help you to easily, you are able to understand easily. Now you can see here uh, button quick access bar. Now here you can undo typing the quick access bar. This is can't redo, Control plus Y. Here. So going to explain undo and redo. After making any changes in a cell, you may want to revert back the changes and get the previous data back. For example, I'm going to enter here cells. If you want, if it is done by mistakes, it should be the different value. Then you just need to Control Z. Control Z. For sometimes we are going to add it. For example, I'm going to enter physics marks, and by mistake, and this is the chemistry marks. This it is done by, you have entered, and you can enter. I don't want this, and instead of this is if you want to write down if you want to add it, so just need to want yes. So in this case, if I'm going to edit the value, and now you can see if you want to get back to the previous value, physics, and if you Control Z, physics, which you have changed, you can just press Control Y. Now you can see this. So after making any changes in the cell, you may want to revert back the changes and get the previous data back. Now, to undo the last action performed, use the undo button on the quick access bar. Now here you can see the undo button, Control plus Z. So now you can see here the undo typing velocity in S2 to 3, 233 cells. Also it shows what you have done. So undo, undo access bar, which help you to, you can use the Control Z or use this quick access tool. Now the redo command is used to quickly repeat the last action that you have performed using undo command. That's true. So you already learned how to redo and undo work. You just need to press Control plus Y so that you can back to the last action, repeat the last action, quickly repeat the last action. You can use shortcut key, or you can use the here access bar, access toolbar, and redo shortcut in Excel. Here you already learned how to use the Excel. Control plus Y shortcut to redo. So now I hope all of you be able to understand undo and redo and how to edit the cell content. Next one, inserting blank cells. Inserting blank cells, you can just need to select the cell range where you want to insert the blank cell, right click on the range and select the insert option. So when you are going to insert blank cells, just need to when you're going to right click, when you are going to right click, you are able to see the insert options, and going to click over there, you can see the options: shift cell right, shift entire row, entire column. Now you can select any one and you can press here. So now you can see the, we'll discuss the details in the next class. Thank you for watching the video. Okay, bye now.